G'day gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here with a quick overview of the latest Banggood 9.9 VIP day sale. So this is a really good opportunity for you guys to save yourself a heck of a lot of money. All you guys need to do is just drop me a comment, let me know what you're interested in, and I will reply straight away with a coupon code for you to make it nice and easy for you to grab yourself a bargain. Plenty of bargains to grab, guys. This only comes up once or twice a year, and it's only going to be running for a few days, so get in quick before they are sold out or before you miss out. So I'm just going to list a few of the hot items, and of course if there's anything that you guys are interested in, drop me a comment, let me know what you're looking at purchasing, and I will do my very best to grab a coupon code so you can get in on the savings. First item here, just to show you guys quickly, the Realacc triple feed patch. I actually use this on my SKYZONEs. It's half price, which is pretty decent to say the very least. Next item, I've done quite a few reviews on the RunCam Orange 5. This is a terrific little unit as well, and again, as you can see on the screen there, that's 55% off. So they're normally around 300 bucks, 139. This is a great unit as well. And if you want to see some reviews of this, yeah, have a look down below at my past videos. Speaking of SKYZONEs, here the O2Xs, I use these quite a bit as well. And if you look over, we're talking, yeah, 37% off again. So available in all the array of colors. That is actually a really good buy. Flavour of the month with your sine whoops. You saw some Gemfans. These are actually about 6% off, $3.76. You can't go wrong, can you? Getting into some quads and some races here. Eachine Tyro, really popular unit. Again, we're looking at 7% off for that unit. So the Tyro 129, really popular unit. And as you can see, that's a savings of around 7%. And there's 49 left. I'll skim through these. Super popular Mobula7. Look at that, we're looking at 27% off for that unit. I have one of these as well, and it is an absolute crack for the beginner and novice alike. 20 gram Happymodel, the Mobula7 Crazy BF4. This thing is a little ripper as well, and that's nearly, pretty much 30% off, so that's an absolute cracker of a bargain too. I've actually got one of these coming because this is been getting some rave reviews and looks like a really fun little unit to fly around. Flywoo Explorer, anybody who is into this game will know that this is a really popular long range unit that's just been released in the last few weeks. And this one here, if you do need a coupon for it, let me know and I shall grab you a coupon. And as you can see, they're under restocking, which is meant to be happening in the next day or two, so don't stress about that. And that's going to be a super bargain too for you guys. This thing here is a really fun unit. Tinyhawk Race 2 needs no intro. As you can see, there's a nice savings available for this one as well. And again, if you are interested in purchasing this little race unit, let me know and I will grab you a coupon code to save you some dollars. I'll just skim through these now, guys. This is a complete kit here, $141. You can't go wrong. Emax Tinyhawk indoor kit. Popular iFlight Green Hornet, it's 15% off. And there's more discounts available, so like I keep saying, let me know if you are interested in any of these units. Drop me a comment and I will get back to you with a coupon code. Emax Buzz at 245mm. This thing's really fast. Geprc Dolphin HD, Sporting the Cadex Vista HD system, really decent fast unit. The iFlight Alpha A65, this is the 65mm, the 85's younger brother. Again, this thing here is a great little starter unit, and as you can see, it's normally around the $200 mark, down to $139. Bind and fly, yeah, really nice unit. This has just been released by Eachine, the Tyro79S. This is a complete kit. Everything's here, you just need your own goggles and you are FPVing in a hurry. So you can either get a 4 battery version or you can go for the 2 battery version, which is around $230, which is really good value for money considering it's all here. Buy yourself a pair of box goggles at the same time, and for under $300 you can be cracking on your FPV in no time at all. And this is, yeah, more of a novice type unit. It's fairly fast, so yeah, just be careful with it if you do fly it. Yeah, find yourself a fairly large oval. Lots of fun. Diatone Taycan. Again, this one's available with the Vista DJI unit or the Cadex Baby Ratel. Good price here as well, guys, and again I have a coupon for this one, so let me know if you need it and I will send it straight off. Everybody knows what this little baby is. This is the Freestyle 2 200mm super special. I've done lots of videos on this. This is an awesome unit. I've actually put a new lollipop on mine just to increase the VTX range, and yeah, I have a lot of fun with this thing, and it's 158 bucks, and that's awesome because when they came out they were just over $200, so that is a ripper savings, guys. Again, if you're going to buy one drone this year, one little freestyle quad this year, this will be the one I'll be getting without a doubt. The MegaBee V2, the second version, 377. The UR85, this one's reasonably new, $107. Gee, you can't go wrong, can you? And the Tinyhawk II, full kit, $251, and you are off and racing. The Nazgul 5, this is fairly new. This has the DJI unit as well, $462, which is pretty reasonable. You get a fair bit of kit for your dollar here. Nice, very nice unit. Newly released, older brother of the UK and UR65, the US and DE65. And again, let me know if you want a coupon. These are super cheap too, 146 bucks. Can't go wrong. You get a nice little carry case with it, charger with it. It's all there. Really good value for money. And if you're looking at getting into the sport, starting off low, yeah, this is a great place to start, guys. Nice little kit, well presented, and super robust unit. These things do take a knock and a punch, and if you don't like the yellow, black and red, you can always go for the USA. Great fun, really good range too with your VTX with these. Not just an indoor unit, these can be really successfully flown outdoors as well, so have a squeeze at those, guys, lots of fun. Another nice sign up here, this one's a very popular unit too. And again, yeah, there's more discounts available on these prices you can see for the next few days. You can see it ends in 2 days, so get cracking, guys. Another one ending in 2 days, the Nazgul 5. This is a popular, very popular unit. XM receiver, $280 plus the additional discount. Good stuff. TRASHCAN, Another smash and fly. This thing is super strong as well. Lots of fun, great for the beginner. 200 milliwatt VTX. Take it a long way outdoors. Have lots of fun and really easy to fly, and it comes with a full kit and caboodle, much like the URUAV does. Looks like you get 4 batteries with it, which is cool. Little charger. I'm going to have a look at that one myself. These are a great little fly too, and I see it's sporting some nice lights up the rear there. Yeah, really neat. And the BetaFPV Meteor65, I love this thing. I've actually just done another review on this. I'll have one of these kits, which I'm about to give away soon. So yeah, smash on my bell, guys, so you're not going to miss out on that giveaway, and I will get back to you. But this is an awesome unit for a gift for yourself if you're getting into the sport. Lots and lots of fun. The G-Land Angler, another nice little whoop style unit. And as you can see, it comes with all the necessary receivers, so there'll be one there to suit your needs. Nice little kit too. Almost looks like you get a spare frame with it, which is really cool. The Beetle HOM 130mm with some groovy lights on the roof. DJI Air unit for $433. Without the unit, under 200 bucks. And getting into a few brushless drones here, $92. Great gift for the kids. It's all here. You get the controller, you get the whole lot, guys. Another 5G 4K unit. This thing's lots of fun too, the X46G. Lots of reviews on this at the moment. You can buy it with 1, 2 or 3 batteries. Another optical flow drone here, $74. Look at the price of these guys, it's cheap as chips. This one ends in 4 days, $74. Of course the phone's not included. But if you have a look online, you'll see lots of reviews on these units. And they're all really good fun. And for the price here, you can't go wrong. These are great for the kids, single hand controller. Like a little joystick, really easy to fly, altitude hold. This is a really good one for the kids, so if you're looking for an early Christmas present at a bargain price, yeah, check out this unit here. Comes in its own carry case. Nice little carry case there. Batteries, some spare props. Yeah, lots of fun. Yeah, the Fat Chucker Dominator HDO 2s. These are the top shelf ones, guys. $635. Save yourself a couple $100 nearly. In stock and ready to go. And if you're looking for controllers, T18 Pro 265, 29% off. There's only 38 of these babies left, guys. Mode 2, which is your left hand throttle. Get in quick, or they will disappear. And something a bit different, the RadioMaster. I've actually just purchased the T16S. The price here, really good, 14% off, $167. Yeah, let me know, guys. These won't be around for long, let me tell you. Very popular radio. And if you want a bit of old school, the TransTEC X9 Lite 129, certainly an awesome unit to kick off the hobby with. It has access, ACST, P16, Mode 2, yeah. I've actually used one of these as well, and these are a really good unit too. You can't go wrong. There you have it, gang. A quick rundown of Banggood's 9.9 VIP sale. Only a few days left. Get in quick. As I said, if you can't see an item from BG that you like in this video, send me a message. I'll locate it for you. I'll do the hard work, and I'll send you off a link and coupon code so you can save yourself some dollars, which is really good. Alright, no worries, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you. The sun's shining outside, so I'm going to go have a fly. And I'll catch you guys again real soon. Take it easy. See you next time.